Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to turn off ads or their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Google. Here we have to tap on all services. Be aware you do not have to be logged in to be able to manage Google services. So let's tap on all services and scroll down to find privacy and security and tap on ads. So here we've got two different options. We can either reset advertising ID or remove it, and I highly recommend to start with resetting it. Just tap on it and tap on confirm, and then tap on delete advertising ID. Here you've got the information which you can of course read, and obviously this operation will not turn off the ads completely, but it will at least remove the personalization, so it's totally up to you. Whether you would like to use it or not, I highly recommend to do that. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Another thing is to localize the app which shows you the most notifications about the advertisements. So let's pretend I get the most from the Play Store. So just tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Right here we've got this notifications category, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, under the alerts, we've got different notification categories, and try to find any kind of category which might be connected with the ads or something like that. So for example, payments, deals, recommendations, something like that. You can of course tap on the specific category and check another information about it, and try to turn off all of those notifications, so you will get less. Obviously you can also enter the Play Store. Let me go back, and here in the search section, search for any kind of ad block. So of course, depending what you need, whether you need the ad block for the browser or ad block for other things, I highly recommend to simply enter something like that and find the apps. Of course, you can also try to find the browser without any kind of advertisements. Here you've got AdBlock browser, so the third-party option, AdGuard, content blocker, etc. So I highly recommend to really check those, because they can really help you in this situation. And the last resort is to go to the settings. Here at the top we've got this option, not Bluetooth but the connections, so let's tap on it. And here we have to localize the option Private DNS. Even though it is on, it is the automatic option, so I highly recommend to simply mark this Private DNS provided hostname, and we have to enter without this no, not like that. Let me do it like that. We have to enter dns.adguard.com, so something like that, and tap on save. Basically, this option should protect you from the advertisements. Obviously, it will not work in all of the cases. Sometimes you will not be able to, for example, open the specific website or something like that. But then simply come back to those connections, change the private DNS to the automatic one, and you will be able to enter the website. After that, then go back and set the private DNS again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.